So this exercise will help with sliding down as well. And what we're going to do is between the third and the second fret. And then end on our G. So just everything's open. I'm striking twice. Now with the slide. So practice that, starting at the third, two strikes, then open. So we're on the G. When you have to slow it down and think about it, then you start making mistakes. So I first started slow. So get those notes in your ear. Then do it with the slide. Slow. You just play around in that area. See, that time I added in the major third. This is the minor third. Major third. Because this would be your G7. See how those both work? That's a chromatic lick. So open. Okay. Starting at the second on the third string, second fret, open. Then to your third on your second string, third fret. Same on your first string. You can make a turnaround out of it, whatever, right? But it's a major sounding. It starts out as a major sounding and goes pentatonic. So what I'm doing there is just hammer-ons. So I'm using major, then pentatonic, right? And then you can make a turnaround out of it. Now another one that I'll show you. Now the first part of this I got from a Johnny Winter lick. The rest I just made up. But and he played it super fast. I can't play it that fast. But I stole the notes from him. And this is a long turnaround, and long turnarounds make good intros. So it goes like this. So do it with your fingers first. So I'm going open, second, third, fourth, open on the second string of the third fret to the sixth. Then I'm going open on the first string again and going chromatically here from the third up to the fifth. Open from the fifth to the eighth. Then I'm going to the 12th on the first top two strings, to the 11th, to the 10th, to the G, then going and then blow into your song, whatever song you're, or arrangement of the song that you're playing. So now I'll try and get my fingers out of the way. Or you can go from the ninth instead of the 8th to the 7th, you can go to the 9th to the 7th. Because when you're coming down here, you're landing on your G. That's your G note right there. And it's better when you're damping with all three fingers. So let's just do it one part at a time. Get that part first. So open, open, third, sixth, then open on the first, open from the fifth to the eighth, and then learning these things, these chromatic things, you can make up all kinds of turnarounds. Learning these scale things. We've talked about the pentatonic scale before. That was a wrong note, sorry. Into a ninth chord, which I'm only using these three. The middle three strings, which would be standard tuning. Sliding down, so that would be A on my fifth, on my second and third, and on the fourth string. Second and third on the fifth, onto the fourth string on the fourth. So you can make up all kinds of turnarounds. Or slide into them. So yeah, you can just make up turnarounds. And like I said, the longer turnarounds you can make into intros or outros, whatever, as long as you're ending on the one chord. Another turnaround. Whoops. And here all I'm doing is taking a G7 down, and then the G7 down again to the D. And here the next time when I went. So I'm using these notes on the top, but I'm using this. So I'm going. Anyway, you can make up all kinds of stuff. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.